and we're gonna go to social media, and then we're gonna go to Reels right here, and then we're gonna go over to Elements, and we're gonna find the grid right here, and we're just gonna pick just this top one. It's fine. Now we're gonna add our text box. So I already have my branding here in Canva, but just pick what you want, put it where you want it, and then I like to change this to about 75. And then I like my color white, and again I have my branding colors in here. My branding colors in here where it says, yeah. Okay, so I changed that, and then I also like to go to effects, and for my title I really like neon for my title, and I like to make it bold too. Oops, there we go. Okay, now we're gonna go back to text, and we're gonna add subheading, and that's gonna be our quote. So we'll put that like, I don't know, like right there in the middle. And I like this one at about 55. And I also like it white. I like it bold. And then effects. I like this one to be lift and outline. And did I show you that? Lift and outline. So I like those two for that. Okay, so now you want to go back to the home button, and you want to select Canvas Sheets. Here we go again where you can't see it. So hit the Sheets button, and then click Actions, and then Generate Table. So you're going to see that coming up here. Generate Table. And then in that prompt, you need to tell it what to do. So I stayed on this. This is exactly what I told this prompt to do. And then you hit that little generate button, and it's going to give you exactly what you want in 3 different columns. So hit the insert button. Now you're going to go to back to the Elements tab, and then select your under your, just type in your niche, and I just click beauty or permanent makeup or something, and videos, and then you're going to narrow that down under orientation and click vertical, because that's what Instagram Reels really like, and it's going to give you a bunch of options here. Oh, click on the orientation, do vertical in the middle, and now it's going to give you all of these. So you just pick the ones you want and drag and drop into that third column for each one of your quotes. Drag, oh, oops, wrong spot, back. So drag it over and put it under the video, under the quote that you want it to be on, and you just continue to do this all the way down, and just pick your videos. You can always go up and change, like sometimes I'll switch to permanent makeup if I'm not finding what I want, or if I'm doing something for any other project I'm working on. You just type in an idea, a niche, and then it'll pop up generated videos for you, and then you just drag and drop them over. What you want to do is you want to highlight all of those cells. I accidentally highlighted the D column too, but I'll show you how to fix that. So highlight all of those, and then go into the Actions button and click Bulk Create, and then Continue. And then you're going to choose the template that you just created. See, it gave me that little warning sign right there because I have that whole row on the side. So I'm just going to go in and edit. I only need through C11. So I'm going to have A1 through C11, and it's just going to ditch that D column, and it'll fix that little warning right there. So now I can click Continue. And then I'm going to choose that template that I created, which is right there. Bink. And now it's going to give you everything that you need all into one here. So click the title, and then that's going to pop up the connect data. So click title, and then do the same thing with the second one, connect data, and you want to connect the quote. And then just touch anywhere on the grid where the photo will be, and hit video. And if you did that right, all of those things will be lit up purple. So before we hit create design, click that advanced settings button at the bottom and click the option that gives you one design with multiple pages. So then they'll all be in one folder for you, and then hit create design. And then watch the magic happen. So once we hit create design, it's going to pull up our page, and then it's going to start to like generate all of our pages. And so just click on any one of them. Click on any one of them and then open it up, and you'll see every one of your designs, and you can edit each one of them if you don't like how the words and everything laid out. You can just go in and edit and change them how you want to change them, and then make sure you title it on the top, and then I always save it into my social media for the month folder, and there you have it. You have 10 inspirational quotes. Easy breezy.